All right, it's Mike, Tent Talk Tuesday, and we're showing you a brand new tent from Sterling Adventure Co. This is called the Basin. Now, if you've been following us for a while, you may remember a company, Roof Space. We helped kind of launch it here in the US. They're from Germany. It was a unique hardshell design that opened 180 degrees, providing a ton of sleep space. The only reason why I bring up Roof Space in the Adventure Sterling video is because they're no longer available here in the US, and that's not because they went out of business or because they didn't succeed here. They just came at a really bad time last year during the tariffs and kind of halted US launch. So they are thriving in Europe, thriving in Australia, not so much here in the US. However, thanks to Sterling Adventure Co, we've got a new version of that style of tent. Free Spirit came out with one called the Nova. Sits a little taller, a little bit different design. I'm a big fan of this. I wanted to highlight this one on today's Tent Talk Tuesday. Let's get into it. It's the Sterling Basin. It is 7 inches tall when closed, 90 by 70. So that's longer than a king and 10 inches wider than a queen. That's what I wanted to say. That's more room than tents twice the weight, you know? It's 135 pounds. So it's super light, but a 4-person full family style tent. Luckily, because of the gas strut design, it opens in seconds. These awnings that you see here are actually self-deploying awnings. So when you pop this thing up, both sides, big awnings just pop up. Love that feature. No U-bar or anything here that extends. Obviously you got the 2 tension rods for your front awning, but the 2 side ones auto deploy. You've got some stargazer windows up top, LED lights, massive footprint, super low profile. This tent also comes with, I shouldn't say comes with, options include winter insulation kit and crossbars. Comes with the boot backs, comes with the lights. But if you want to upgrade, you got some options there. What else do I need to say about this tent? Corey! Corey's had it on his truck for a while. He's gonna come out and he's gonna tell you what he likes about it. Just come here. Show him. So Sterling sent us this tent to test out, and like I said, we've been running it for a couple weeks now. We had a really nasty rainstorm a couple days ago during a display day where we had it open, and I want to say that, look, he's just, this guy's just, can you just jump right on camera and talk about what you like about this tent, what you don't like about this tent? Yeah. For the people? Sure. You're such a good sport. You're such a good sport. Sure. Just have us. Hey, great to be back on camera together. Yeah. So I told him it's Sterling. What else?
Adventure Co.
Nice, and that's it.
No, I like it for the 4Runner because it's 130, 135 pounds. And it's a pretty small footprint on my very unique custom rack. It's not custom, but I like that it's super lightweight, but opens up this big. It's kind of like the Roof Space 2 or 4.
We mentioned that. We mentioned that. Nice. But and you said your gas mileage has only changed 0.1.
Yeah.
0.1.
I went from 19 miles per gallon to 18.9 over the last week. But yeah, I like the size of it. The mattress seems pretty comfy. The self-deploying sides are nice because you don't have to get up there and try and...
Is it easy to demo that real fast?
Closing and opening?
Well, not like a full close, but the auto deploy awning. Can we show them?
Yeah.
This is worth seeing. This is part of the show. I'll help you take these down.
Undo these.
But if it's so quick and easy, why don't you show us, they say.
Show them. Show them.
Also, these are the crossbars I mentioned. Nice additional feature. Corey was ripping some pull-ups on it, so nice and stout.
Not recommended.
Not recommended. But unlike the Roof Space, the ladder is needed. So help support it, typically like a soft shell, you know.
Black felt.
But you don't have to go all the way closed, just so you could see that, like, you know, little pop. Yeah. Okay, so from here you do some tucking, but you've got hard side on the sides, on the top, and on the bottom. The other side's hard. You just have this kind of hybrid material on the one side. But yeah, go ahead, send her back up. Let's just show that auto deploy.
Show him.
Real nice. See? Dang.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
Sterling Adventure Co. And that is the Basin. Basin. Baron. Bold.
Yeah, I
From
like
Sterling
that.
Adventure Co.
It's a perfect size for my family.
Perfect size. That's it. What do you rate it out of 10?
8.5.
8.7 for me. Thanks for watching Spirit of 1876. Come down to our shop in Castle Rock where we've got Sterling's Wasatch Light
Wasatch Light Pro.
V2. Come see us, Castle Rock. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Yeah.